Is that right?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Ciao. What's going on YouTube or whatever? It's Jay Sean.
Oh, whatever.
Or whatever. Eating.
I'm out. It's all blurry.
I know.
Ain't this the one where you saw they recording from their TV?
Man, so look. We ate. Ooh, child. Lord have mercy, it got all on the bed, dude. It's on your face.
Yes!
Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at the bed. Look at Ew. Natasha.
No, go give me a paper towel.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You got it all, look.
I got it all on the baby. Whew. Cha. I don't know where the paper towel's at.
Bathroom time.
So you're mad. Here. Take it so I can go.
He's getting paper towels. And I'm sitting here watching Nicki Minaj performance jank thing. Cause I have no life. Can you wet one of those? Take it to the bathroom. Look, take the camera to the bathroom. Wet one of those.
See, cause she know that I didn't plan on wetting them. Shout out to Ashani. Shout out to Janae too. Cause they're both down to earth and humble. And I ain't too much gonna be talking about what Janae wanted me to talk about, cause that is not right for me to do and things of this nature. But I
didn't say wet all of them.
Look, you look, but you know what? They're wet.
What wine?
Who are you talking to? Child. Hey, look, you remember when I wrote this? Sweetie,
you wrote
sweetheart,
it today.
boysenberry pike-headed yams.
Chicken ass. Chicken.
It look better. It do how it look, but what's that black one?
It's because you recorded something.
She better work. His dark hair. That's nothing but blackness. That's nothing but blackness.
You should not be in the sun that long.
Look at the baby clean her shirt.
God, I want everybody to see my goodies.
I messed up her shirt. I'm so sorry. It adds character. On that note, YouTube, this is just a random video, things of this nature. Really, it's not about nothing.
And you ain't even wet them right.
I'm gonna beat up. See, we're in church, so I ain't even gonna yell or curse. But you know what?
This damn, it ain't even wet. You can't clean that with that.
It's wet on my face.